Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 2 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system and update. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. Now all we have to do is to tap on add a language and choose the language from the list of available languages. So just find your language and tap on it. Let me pick maybe Turkish, just tap. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list. Now all we have to do is to reorder the languages, so tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on everything will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon and tap on remove. Mark the languages, tap on the trash bin icon and tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.